Welcome to the 10th part of our explainer video series on After Effects. In this episode, we'll be animating the illustration of a water treatment plant that we created in part 4. Since some of the artwork is similar to what we animated in parts 8 and 9, I'll briefly explain how I animated the remaining elements. This way, we can skip over the repeated sections and keep things fresh and exciting. The animations for icons such as the AI brain, cloud with lock, Wi-Fi icon, LEDs blinking, and database icons are consistent with what we covered in parts 8 and 9. If you haven't had a chance to watch those episodes yet, I highly recommend doing so to ensure you're up to speed with today's tutorial. Now, take a look at those bubbles gently flowing upwards in the tank. I use the wiggle expression to give them a natural, lively movement. The animation for the glass and the $sign follows the same techniques we explored in previous parts, ensuring a cohesive look. For our character animation, we'll be utilizing simple properties such as position, rotation, and scale to bring them to life. Get excited for our next episode. We'll be diving into animating our logo and text, which promises to be a lot of fun. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon for timely notifications on new content. Your support means a lot and helps us continue creating these tutorials.